Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x plus x divided by x multiplied by x is equals to 1. So here we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution of this equation and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now we move towards our first method, and in the first method you see here these are the two same variable terms added by each other. So it means that we need to add the coefficients of these terms. So the coefficients of both of these terms are 1. When we add it, it will becomes 2 times of x divided by, here you see that two variable terms are multiplied by each other, and we know that when we same terms are multiplied by each other, it will becomes here x square, or it will become the square of that term. Okay, and this is equals to 1. And further, in the next step, we need to move this x square to the right hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, x square is multiplied by 1, and it will becomes 2x is equals to x square times 1 is equals to x square. So further, in order to find the values of x, we need to move this 2x to the right hand side, and it will becomes x squared. This is plus 2x becomes minus 2x, and this is equals to 0. So further, in the next step, here you see that both of these terms involve x, so that we need to take common x from here. When we take common x from here, we get the remaining values are x minus 2 is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 2 is equals to 0. So from here, this is our first root of the given equation, and from here we need to move this minus 2 to the right hand side, and we get our x is equals to 2. This is our second root of the given equation. So in the first method we will get here these are the two roots of the given equation, and now in the next steps we need to verify that is these roots are solution or is these roots are extraneous root. So for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x plus x divided by x multiplied by x is equals to 1. And in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 2. So further, in the next step, we need to substitute both of these two values into the given question statement. So when you put this value into the left hand side, it will become 0 plus 0 divided by 0 multiplied by 0 is equals to 1. And you see here 0 plus 0 becomes 0, and 0 multiplied by 0 becomes 0 is equals to 1. This shows that, so here you see that this will become 0 by 0 form, and usually we will call 0 by 0 form is called the indeterminate form. So if 0 by 0 be the indeterminate form, or in other words we call this is undefined form. So if this is undefined, it means that this is not equals to 1. So here we conclude about that the value of x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so if this is the extraneous root, so it is not solution. So here further we move towards our second root of the given equation. So from here we need to put this value into the left hand side, and it will becomes 2 plus 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 1, and 2 plus 2 becomes here 4 divided by 2 times 2 is also becomes 4 is equals to 1. These are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 1 is equals to 1. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of x is equals to 2 is satisfied our given question statement. So we call x is equals to 2 be the solution set of the given equation. So this is the our solution set, and x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root which we get here from first method. And now we move towards our second method, and in second method we need to copy down given question statement here. So the given question statement is x plus x divided by x multiplied by x is equals to 1. This is our given question statement. And here in the second method I can just give you another technique, another smartest technique in which you can easily get the values of x. Okay, so here again you see that when we add x plus x it will becomes 2 times of x, and when we multiply x times x it will becomes here x square, and this whole equation is equals to 1. So that here we need to move this x square to the right hand side. So first we need to simplify the term. Okay, this is the second method. I can just give you another different technique. So this x is cancelled out by this x, and we will get here 2 is divided by x is equals to 1. And now you see here this x is divided by here, when we move it into the right hand side it is multiplied by 1. So it will becomes here 2 is equals to x times 1 is equals to x. So this is the value of x which we get here from second method, and already in the first method we verified this value of x, and you see that this value of x is satisfied our given question statement. So it means that, or our final conclusion is that the solution set of this question is x is equals to 2. So this is the only one solution of the given question. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.